Want to build a successful gaming channel but don't want to show your face? You're not alone. Some of the biggest YouTube gaming channels are faceless and make thousands of dollars a month. Today I'm going to reveal 10 proven tips to grow your faceless gaming channel fast. First things first, choose the right gaming niche. You could focus on game reviews, tutorials, or funny moments. Find something you're passionate about that also has an audience. Games like Fortnite, Minecraft, and GTA have massive followings, so make sure your niche has demand. Your gameplay footage is the heart of your content. Make sure it's clear, smooth, and looks professional. Use high definition resolution, at least 1080p, and a good capture card if you're gaming on a console. This will help you stand out from other channels. Since you won't be using your face or voice, invest in AI voiceover or text-to-speech software. There are several tools out there that can generate human-like voices. This will help keep your content engaging and professional without the need for a mic. Optimization is key to growing any YouTube channel. Use high-traffic keywords in your title, description, and tags. Research trending games and use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find what's popular. The more relevant your keywords, the higher your chances of ranking. Consistency is crucial. Uploading at least once a week is a great start. You can even try a series-based approach where each video ties into the next. This will encourage viewers to keep coming back for more. Even though you're faceless, you can still build a community. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage engagement in your videos. The more you interact with your viewers, the more loyal they'll become. Thumbnails and titles are the first thing viewers see, so make them eye-catching. Use bold fonts, bright colors, and images that grab attention. Keep your titles short but descriptive, and always include keywords. Even if you're faceless, collaborating with other YouTubers can boost your channel's growth. Join gaming communities, participate in collaborations, and shout out each other's channels to expand your audience. Use YouTube analytics to track your performance. Look at which videos are getting the most views, where viewers are dropping off, and how your audience is engaging. Use these insights to improve future videos. Growing a faceless gaming channel takes time, but don't get discouraged. Stay consistent, keep learning, and always improve your content. Success won't happen overnight, but if you stick to it, you'll see results. So, those are my top 10 tips to grow your faceless gaming channel. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn how to monetize your gaming channel, check out my next video.